Hi, welcome to my another DIY vlog. So today I'll be showing to you how I made my toe kick step stool.
Did you pick that up?
So this is the toe kick from Scherr's cabinet, and this is made of MDF. And this looks like the cut that I ordered for my cabinet. This is white oak rip sewn, I believe so. At the back, it's a different look or cut of wood. So this is the step stool that I'm going to put in our toe kick or inside our cabinet bottom, and this fold this way, and there's this, excuse me, bracket that you need to attach to this step stool, where you could attach an additional toe kick. That way it looks like it's part of the toe kick. And by the way, this bracket is not included when you buy this step stool, but I got this step stool on Rock Hardware for almost half the price of the Havel. So let me assemble it. Or this step stool has 4 wheels that would help slide underneath the sink or the place that you're going to install. And I believe this could hold up 150 pounds. Here I'm removing extra cement so I could add more tiles to level the ground or the surface. I put an extra tile under the sink because we didn't tile up the whole kitchen, and having this extra tile, the step stool will glide easily under the sink. After cutting the exact size for the baseboard, this is how it looks, and I decided to just have 18 inches of baseboard to go with the step stool. So usually, since I'm not good using on the drill, I usually do a pre-drill hole on the wood and use this one to drill the entire screw. And then I have a dishwashing liquid here. My husband told me it's the easiest way to drill the hole on the wood. So I keep doing that, and it helps me to put these doors. So since it's really hard for me to cut this wood on a 45 angle, I just decided to buy this metal. So when I slide the step stool, it won't go farther. This toe kick, I will just use power grab instead of trying to screw this plastic from this toe kick. That's an easy way for me to do that. I got this hardware from IKEA, and I decided to use this so the hardware will not be visible from toe kicks. I think after putting mark on the wood, I will start drilling the hole and attach this bracket. I hope you find this video helpful, and you can visit our website tessandbody.com, and you can find more information about my DIY. So thank you again for watching. Salamat po. See you on the next video. Bye! Say bye!